Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Today, in this video I am going to share an important method of making money online by just watching YouTube videos. Before I get started, I want to tell you that at the end of the video there is a bonus waiting for you, which will increase your earnings by several times. Let's go to YouTube and find any videos here that have already gotten huge views. I choose Try Not to Laugh Niche. Then set the filters to show only most popular videos. This video got 297 million views. That's what we need, and now we need to download it. To do that, copy the link to the video, go to the Save From website. Here you can download any video from YouTube. Paste the link and click download. The video has been downloaded to the laptop. Now go to the website, FebSpot. You can find the website link below in the description. You can upload absolutely any video here, and you will get money for every viewing because right after the video is published, there will be ads in it. And of course, for every viewing of the advertisement, you get money on average. For every 1,000 views, you will get up to $60. For 2,000 views, you can earn up to $96. Can you imagine $96 for just 2,000 views? You don't need to have huge views on the video to make a good money here. And we will be uploading videos here that have already gotten millions of views on YouTube. So let's do it first. Let's register on the FebSpot website. The username you enter when registering will be the name of your channel on this site, and I advise you to come up with an attractive username as possible. So I just created an account and named it Try Not to Laugh. And also be sure to put a picture on your avatar. That way we can attract more attention to our channel and collect more views. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a bonus on how to use your username and avatar to get 2 times more views. Now, let's upload the video we downloaded from YouTube. Click Upload. The title of the video I advise you to specify as on original video on YouTube. And also you can copy the description of the video on YouTube. And you must specify the text tags or keywords with which viewers can find our videos using search. And we will get more views to make it easy to come up with text. You can write the topic of your videos in a YouTube search and copy the keywords. Here, take a look. Try not to laugh. So I added text something like this. Next, check the box I agree with the rules, select category entertainment. Next, check the box I agree with rules and add video. And now, the last step, we need to upload icon for our video. And my advice is to take original thumbnail from YouTube. To do it, again copy the link to this video, then go to the site, youtube-thumbnailgrabber.com. Paste our link and get thumbnail images. Then press on this image and download image and upload our thumbnail. Click save. That's it. The video is published. And now it will start getting views, and I remind you that while watching our videos, users will also watch ads and we will get paid for it. And the more videos you upload, the more views your channel will get. And I advise you to upload 3 videos per day, as there are no limits to the video you can upload per day. And now I'm going to try to upload maybe 10 or even 15 videos and see how many views they get in one day, and everything that I earn I'll withdraw. You can withdraw your money to PayPal or to bank accounts or to cryptocurrency asked. This is an easy way for you to make money online, and only a few people know about this. Once this website launches its application, it reaches worldwide, and it also have a chance for the alternative of YouTube. First come, first serve. So use this strategy to your advantage. I will post my updates about this website in the upcoming videos. So now, you know a new money-making method, but that doesn't solve the main problem of how to quit your boring 9-to-5 job. So that means you still need more side income. To solve that, watch this video right here to know how to earn $5 per song just by listening music online.